Do you ever wish you could chat with your contacts directly inside Gmail without opening another app or tab? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable Google Chat inside Gmail in just a few clicks, even if it's hidden or disabled by default. This is the complete guide, and by the end of this video, you'll be sending messages right from your inbox. Let's get started. First, log into your Gmail account using your browser. Once you're inside your mailbox, look at the top right corner and click the gear icon, also known as settings. A small settings menu will open, but don't stop there. Click on See All Settings to open the full settings dashboard. Now, at the top of the page, you'll notice different tabs like General, Labels, Inbox, and Accounts. Look for the tab called Chat and Meet and click it. This is where Google hides the option to enable chat. Inside Chat and Meet, you'll see 3 chat options: Off, Classic Hangouts, and Google Chat. Make sure you select Google Chat. This activates the latest chat interface from Google's, which is much better and cleaner than the old Hangouts system. Once you've selected Google Chat, scroll down and click Save Changes. This step is important. If you skip it, nothing will change. After saving, Gmail will automatically refresh, and you'll now see a chat section appear on the left sidebar, right under your inbox folders. Now let me show you how to use it. Click on Chat in the left menu, and you'll see a small chat window pop up. Click Start a Chat, then type the email address of the person you want to message. Gmail will automatically suggest contacts as you type, so just select a name and click Start Chat. Boom! You've just started a real-time conversation directly inside Gmail without switching apps. You can also create group chats, share files from Google Drive, and even switch to Google Spaces if you want team collaboration, all from the same sidebar. And that's it. You now know how to show and use Google Chat inside Gmail for faster, easier communication without leaving your inbox. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe for more simple tech tutorials, and comment below if you want a follow-up video on how to customize Google Chat notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.